How to send empty messages on Messenger. Welcome back everyone to a new tutorial video of 1-2 step. If you're also trying to send in empty messages or blank messages on your Facebook Messenger to your friends, then in this video I'm exactly going to show you how you can. So without any further ado, let's get right into the topic. Now you would not find any option within the Messenger app to send in these blank messages. So for this you'll need to open up a web browser and search for blank messages, and you can pick any of these websites to copy in these blank text. For this video I'm going to use emptycharacter.com. From this website, if you scroll down, you'll see a section where you can copy these empty text. So just tap on copy to clipboard, and for some reason if the first method is not working for you, you can also use the second method. So copy in the blank text, open up your Messenger, and you can paste in the blank text that you just copied. Hit send and the blank text will be sent. So that's the way that you can easily send in empty messages on your Messenger. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up. That's going to be all for today's video. I'll see you guys in the next one.